I wanna show you how to add Echo Reverb effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, move your timeline to the point where you wanna that the echo effect will start. Hit the Ctrl K to make the cut. Select the cutted piece. Right click of the mouse and choose Nest. Following, move to the project panel, right click of the mouse, new item, and select Black Video. Drag the layer above the nest piece. Extend the duration for few seconds. Come back to the main layer. Go to Effects and write Reverb. Drag the reverb function on the nest piece. Go to Effects Control. And by the Studio Reverb, select the Custom Setup edit. Here, by the key, just push it to the 10,000 milliseconds. The last step is, now simply click and drag the end of your audio. Everything is ready, let's hear the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.